Pujama flip.
Pujama flip.
So we are going away to Spain shortly, and one of the things that you need post-Brexit is one of these on your bike while you're in Spain. And reading online, there have been cases of the Spanish police fining you for not having one. Now, these little UK stickers that I put on the number plates, they're fine for France, but not Spain. Spain don't recognise those. Now, the problem is, if you look at this bike, no top box, and there is absolutely nowhere to stick that sticker. So I've come up with a solution to this. So basically what I'm going to do is, this is an old box, it's fairly flexible plastic. My idea is to cut a suitable size for this to stick on, plus a little bit of extra on top of it. And then I bought some number plate bolts there, and the idea is to cut something suitable so that just below here I can mount the UK sticker just like that, and hopefully it will be strong enough to do it and won't be too obvious like that. So here we go. So I've decided to do this bike first. As you can see, it's got a top box on it with a UK sticker on there. So though while I'm away, I quite like to be able to take the top box off when I'm riding around, but it's not absolutely necessary it works for this bike. So I've taken the number plate off. I've taken one of my two bits of plastic that I've cut to shape, and I've stuck it on with masking tape into the right place and marked up where I'm going to drill the holes, covering the front of the number plate with masking tape as well, as that will protect it. Now I'm going to drill the holes and see how it goes. So there we are, one Spain legal UK sticker. It looks quite tidy. I'm going to take it out and give it a run tomorrow. It doesn't seem to flap too much. There we go, it doesn't seem to flap too much. Hopefully it won't start to crack at all, but we shall see. Once I've given it a run, I'll try it on the other bike. So there we go, that's the sticker on the bike, all fixed in there. Fits quite nicely. I've taken this one out for a test ride, and certainly up to the speed limit it copes absolutely fine. So all in, I'm pretty happy with the result. Hope that's of some help to you. Bye.
Pujama flip.
Pujama flip.